Hi friends, I'm back with an investment idea. We're going to look at income funds. If you're planning for 2 to 3 years investment, then income fund would be an ideal investment because of lower risk and good returns, and also safe as investments. Income funds are basically a mutual fund wherein they invest mostly in government securities, certificates of deposit, corporate bonds, and money market. These are all term deposit with interest rate with daily NAV based on mark to market rates. They work on the principle of higher interest rate is equal to lower yield, and lower interest rate would give a higher yield. For example, interest rate of RBI is 8% and you have bought a government security for 8% for 10 years, and the Reserve Bank has reduced the interest rate from 8 to 7.5. Your yield will actually go up to 8.5, and vice versa. If they further reduce it to 7%, your yield would actually go up to 9%. With higher demand, mark to market, you can easily make up 15 to 20% per annum. Reason for optimism is that inflation is moderating and is coming down, and lower interest rate would mean higher economic growth. India's interest rate is highest among developing economy, and also the dollar rate is moderating and is coming down. So all the signs are good reason so that interest rate can come down. Please consider the risk factor before investment, but overall it is looking as a very good investment idea.